There everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see reels liked by your friends on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the reels section.
Browsers hesitate.
In the Reels section, you will find several reels, and if your friends have liked a specific reel, you can see them by here. There will be a option or a notification in here liked by that person, or there will be a bubble that will be flowing in here with their profile picture with a heart shape right beside. So yeah, this is how you can know how you can see the reels liked by your friends on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next